Good day, everyone. We are here to present our research title, Framework of Managing Irate Customer Across Multi-Channel Support System. This study was conducted by John Vincent Marcelo and I, Justin Neri Custodio. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, customer service has undergone a significant transformation. What was once limited to traditional phone support has now expanded into multi-channel system including email, live chat, social media, and even AI-driven platforms. While this shift offers greater convenience and accessibility for customers, it also introduced new challenges, particularly when dealing with irate or emotionally charged customers. Each channel presents its own tone, speed, and style of communication, making it more difficult for service representatives to respond effectively across the board. Managing this emotionally intense interaction is crucial not only to retain customer loyalty but also to protect the company's public image and reputation, especially on highly visible platforms like social media, such as business must adopt adaptive strategies that consider the nature of each support channel and utilize de-escalation techniques, empathy, and even AI tools to ensure smooth and professional resolution. This study aims to explore those challenges and offer a comprehensive framework to help organize, manage irate customer effectively across various support platforms. Guided by several key objectives that aims to address the rising concern of managing irate customer across multi-channel support system. First, we aim to identify the root cause of customer frustration and what commonly trigger irate behavior during support interaction. Understanding these factors is essential for developing appropriate response strategies. The second is we will analyze how companies currently respond to irate customer across different channels, whether through human agents, automation, or a combination of both. This will help us determine the effectiveness and consistency of existing approaches. Next is we aim to improve the reliability of support responses, ensuring that no matter which platform the customer uses, be it chat, email, or social media, the experiences remain calm, clear, and solution oriented. The fourth is the study seeks to develop a structured set of conflict resolution steps that can be applied across all support channel. This step will be based on the best practice in communication, emotionally intelligence, and service recovery. And finally, we will assess the impact of effectiveness customer service on brand loyalty and long-term customer satisfaction, showing how proper handling of irate customer can actually strengthen relationship rather than damage them. Through these objectives, we aim to create a practical and adaptable framework that can support business in delivering better service experience across all touch points. In this section, we present related literature that provides foundational insight into customer service management, especially in the context of multi-channel and digital platform. First, Xiaowen Shi, 2021, explored cross-channel customer service, emphasizing the growing complexity of managing customer complaints in the digital age. Their study highlights how customers now interact with companies through various channels such as email, chat, social media, and voice calls, which makes complaint resolution of challenging. This research supports our study by showing the needs of unfind approach when managing irate customer across this platform. Next is Hernandez and Williams 2023 discuss the integration of artificial intelligence in customer service. They explain how automation tools such as chatbots and AI-powered sentiment analysis can improve response time and reduce agent fatigue. This connects to our framework by showing how AI can play critical role in detecting and de-escalating irate customer behavior before it is escalate further. And lastly, Smith and Johnson 2020 examined the post-pandemic customer service landscape. They found that the shift to digital first interaction brought new challenges such as increased service demand and emotion, customer responses, and burnout among agents. This research underlines the urgency of creating effective de-escalation framework and support system, especially in the time of crisis, aligned directly with the goals of our study. And in the summary, these studies provide valuable insight into the evolving nature of customer service and reinforce the importance of developing response, AI enhanced and human centered framework to manage irate customer across multiple support channels.
Okay, for our research methodology, research design and approach. In this study, we use mixed methods and approach, combining both quantitative and qualitative techniques to understand or how the customer service agents handle irate customer across the different support channels. So for the quantitative part, it focused to structure the survey responses, while the qualitative aspects was supported by observation and case study analysis from actual customer service interactions. So for data collection methods, data was primarily gathered through an online survey using Google Forms. So the survey included multiple choice and scaled responses, um, and and then distribute to at least 15 customer service representatives. So the question focused on their roles, experience, communication channel they use, and their usual approach when dealing with angry customers. In addition to the survey, we also reviewed customer activity logs and selected case scenarios from support interaction to identify which method were effective or ineffective in managing irate situation. Okay, for the last one is the data analysis. The responses from the survey we are analyzed using simple statistical tools such as break percentage breakdowns and graphs to present trends and insight. Meanwhile, the case examples were used to support the surveys or survey findings and give the context to the data, helping us to build the practical and realistical framework. Okay, let's proceed to data presentation. So, in this, we'll present the data we gathered from our survey. This includes the roles or experience strategies used by customer service agents when dealing irate customer across different support channels. So in the first poll, or in the first graph, the first figure, we can see that the poll findings give insightful analysis of the responsibilities and degrees of experience and customer service agents. So while the 26% work as customer service agents and just 13% to the identify as a team leader or supervisor. And most respondents, 60% are in technical support roles. So in figure 2, we can see that the over the half, 46.7, have less than 1 year in customer service, implying that the somewhat young staff, so many of that is young. So a smaller percentage is 13.3% have more than 6 year experience. So it's little small, but at least. In the next one is 33.3% have 1 to 3 years. Okay, for figure 3, regarding modes of communication, email and live chats are the most often used. Each mentioned that 46.7% of respondents. So social media is the second one, plays a part of 33.3 of the respondents, and manage it while just 26.7. Routine handle phone support. This points to a move toward digital communication channels, even although in a customer service scene, a multi-channel strategy is still very vital. Okay, for the figure 4, most of the respondents deal with angry customer occasionally, with 33.3 saying that they encountered them monthly. Meanwhile, the 20% report facing them daily, weekly, or rarely, showing that the irate customer interaction vary widely depending on the role situation. And the next one for the figure 5, email and live chat are most challenging channels with 33.3%, each finding them had to manage. Okay, phone calls and phone call come next at 20%. Meanwhile, only 30% point or 13.3% find social media the hardest. So this suggests that the text-based communication can be more difficult when handling frustration.